Hello everyone, today we'll discuss the important features of first-line anti-tubercular drugs. The drugs are isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide, ethambutol and streptomycin. Remember like HRZES. Okay, all these drugs are bactericidal except ethambutol, it is a bacteriostatic. Okay, and all these drug produces hepatotoxicity as a side effect, but streptomycin it does not produces hepatotoxicity because it is aminoglycosidic antibiotic and it was the first anti-tubercular drug used clinically for the treatment of tuberculosis. It mainly produces ototoxicity, neurotoxicity and nephrotoxicity. Okay, this isoniazid it acts by inhibiting the synthesis of mycolic acid, which is the important component for cell wall formation of this acid phosphacilli. Okay, and important side effects are peripheral neuritis due to the interference with the production of active coenzyme called pyridoxal 5 phosphate from the pyridoxine, that is vitamin B6. There is no formation of pyridoxal 5 phosphate, so there is no proper protein synthesis. So this pyridoxal 5 phosphate active coenzyme helps in the protein synthesis, so leads to development of brain as well as prevent the nerve damage. Okay, but there is no formation, it leads into peripheral neuritis. That's why we'll give pyridoxine 10 mg per day along with this drug called isoniazid. Toxicity of isoniazid produces metabolic acidosis, seizures, etc. Rifampicin it acts by inhibiting DNA dependent RNA polymerase and RNA synthesis is affected. Okay, important side effects of rifampicin are flu-like illness. Okay, then red orange discoloration of urine as well as body secretion along with hepatotoxicity. Next, pyrazinamide. This pyrazinamide is a prodrug. It is converted into its a active form called pyrogenoic acid, and this makes the intracellular environment acidic and collapses the transmembrane proton motive force and killing the bacteria. Okay, that is pyrazinamide. Important side effects are hyperuricemia, hepatotoxicity, etc. Because of hyperuricemia, it should not be given to the patient with gouty arthritis. It further aggravates the condition. Ethambutol, it acts by inhibiting an enzyme called arabinose transferase 3, which is helpful in the arabinogalactone synthesis, that is formation of cell wall. By inhibiting this, there is no cell wall formation. It is a bacteriostatic anti-tubercular drug, that is first line. But this ethambutol should not be given to the children below 6 years because it causes visual loss, means the patients are unable to discriminate red green colors. So visual color vision impairment, that is called optic neuritis or retrobulbar neuritis, and these children are unable to report these visual impairment. That's why it should not be given to the children below 6 years. Next, streptomycin, it is aminoglycoside. It acts by inhibiting protein synthesis. And this is injectable first line drug. All are given by oral route, but the streptomycin intramuscular route, especially in case of extensive drug resistant. And important side effects: neurotoxicity, ototoxicity and nephrotoxicity, but there is no hepatotoxicity. Thank you all.